And this is my review on the Graco Extend2Fit car seat. I used this for my first and loved it so much that I bought an additional one for our second. So that tells you how much that I love this one. It does have a 5-point seatbelt harness with easy click and buckle functions. You pull here to tighten the straps, and then you hold this button while you pull the strap away from the child to loosen it. The headrest length is easily adjustable to grow with your child. There are several different seat angle positions to change as your child grows, and a large button back here that you can use to adjust those. There's also a foot bar that pulls out right here if you need that for taller children. But there are cup holders that make longer car rides easier. So to install it, all you have to do is slide the seatbelt through this opening here. You pull it through, and sometimes it takes some extra wiggling, but it really doesn't take long at all. And then, so once you pull it through here, then you click it into the seatbelt buckle, and that's it. And then lastly, I just wanted to mention real quick that we have these in both our Kia Sportage and our Honda Civic. And my husband is 6'4", so he is able to sit comfortably in both with the car seat directly behind him in both of those cars. But one of the things that I love most about it is how easy it is to clean. The folds of the fabric pull away really easily, so it's quick to get a vacuum down in there, which for my children is essential. But I'm going to show you in real time how to remove the entire liner for washing when you inevitably have to do that. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to remove this insert by threading the buckle through it. Super easy. And then I like to start up here with these two snaps. You unsnap those, one on each side, and then at the top back here are two elastic hooks that need to be unhooked here and here. And then you remove from the notches of this level here and then this red handle. And then there's another elastic hook at the cup holders, one on each side. And I am managing to make this look way harder than it is because I am doing it with my left hand. And then lastly at the foot here, there are 4 plastic latches that are easily pulled out of place. And then the 2 plastic insert pieces are removed and put aside until you're ready to put the car seat liner back in. But that's all it takes. The liner is now ready to be totally removed and plopped into the wash. So we line dry ours so that nothing shrinks and fits nicely once we put it back in. I'm not sure that it would shrink. I just didn't want to take the chance with that, but that's all there is to it. And then a few other things that I wanted to highlight. That's just kind of a recap of some of its features, but it's been good to us and has held up well. So if you're in the market for a new and safe car seat, I'd say go buy this one.